Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Prakritim Purusham Chaiva Kshetram Kshetragame Vacha Etad Veditum Michhami Jnanam Jneyam Jakkir. This is the special prerogative of human being, that he can understand the nature, this cosmic manifestation, and the enjoyer of the nature, and he can be fully conversant about what is the object of knowledge, Jneyam. There are three things: Jneyam, Jnata and Jnana. The object of knowledge, the knower is called Jnata. The object of knowledge is called Jneyam, and the process by which one can understand, that is called Jnana, knowledge. As soon as we speak of knowledge, there must be three things: the object of knowledge, the person who is trying to know, and the process by which the object of knowledge is achieved. So, some of them, just like the materialist scientists, they are simply trying to know the Prakriti. But they do not know the Purusha. Prakriti means the enjoyer, and Purusha means the enjoyer. Actually, enjoyer is Krishna. He is the original Purusha. That is admitted by Arjuna. Purusham Shasatam. He was the original enjoyer, Purusha. Krishna is the enjoyer. And every one of us, the living entities, and the Prakriti, nature, everything is to be enjoyed by Krishna. That is Krishna's. Another Purusha, we living entities, we are not Purusha, we are also Prakriti. We are to be enjoyed. But in this material condition, we are trying to be Purusha, enjoyer. That means when the Prakriti or the living entities wants to become Purusha, that is material condition. If a woman tries to become a man, as that is unnatural, similarly, when the living entities who is by nature to be enjoyed, the example as I have given several times, that this finger captures some nice foodstuff, but actually the fingers are not enjoyed. The fingers can help the real enjoyer, namely the stomach. You can pick up some nice foodstuff and put it into the mouth, and when it goes to the stomach, the real enjoy, then all the prakritis, all the parts of the body, all the limbs of the body, they feel satisfaction. So the enjoyer is the stomach, not any part of the body. There is a story in Hitopadesh, from which the Aesop's family is translated. There is a story, Udarendriyanam. Udara means this belly. And Indriya means the senses. And there is a story of Udarendriyanam. The senses, all the senses met together in a meeting. They said that we are working, senses, why do you know? We are working, the leg said, yes, whole day I am working. The hand says, yes, I am working whole day. Wherever the body says, you come here and pick up the food and bringing things for cooking and cooking also. Then the eyes, they say that I am seeing. Every link of the body, they made a strike that no more we are going to work only for the stomach, who is eating only. We are all working, and this man or this stomach is eating only. Then they strike just like the capitalist and the worker. The worker undergoes strike, no more working. So all these linked parts of the body, they observed striking, and after 2-3 days, when again they met, they talked amongst themselves that why we are becoming weak. We cannot work now. The legs also said, yes, I am also feeling good. Hands also, everything. So what is the cause? The cause, then the stomach says, because I am not eating. So if you want to remain strong, then you must give me to eat. Otherwise, so I am the enjoyer. You are not enjoyer. You are to supply things for my enjoyment. That is your position. So they understood, yes, we cannot directly enjoy, it is not possible. The enjoyment must be through the stomach. You take one rasgulla, the fingers, you cannot enjoy. You give it to the mouth, and when it goes to the stomach, there is immediately energy. Not only the fingers enjoy, the eyes, all other parts, they feel satisfaction and strength also. Similarly, the real enjoyer is Krishna. Krishna says, Bhoktanam Jagadamsam Sarvalokam Ahimsaram Sridam Sarvabhutanam Jnatya Mam Shanti Michchati. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.